Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Tap the plus icon, then select Live to start a new session. Prepare your camera and title before you go live for clarity. Tap the text button on the right side to add an overlay while previewing. Type your message and keep it short for mobile viewers to read. You can enter 1 to 2 lines of text before going live, recommended to improve engagement. Practice these steps once to save time during future broadcasts. Choose font, color, and background for the overlay to match your branding. Tap each style option to preview live and decide what reads best on mobile screens. Drag the text to reposition it anywhere on the screen by touch and confirm placement with a quick look. Use the resize handles to scale text for readability at 3 distances: close, arm length, and screen share. Lock the placement when satisfied so it does not move during the broadcast. Enable auto captions or add manual captions for accessibility and clarity during your live session. Captions help viewers who watch without sound and improve overall retention. Pin important comments to keep key messages visible during the stream and guide the conversation. Update or remove text during the stream to highlight new offers, times, or calls to action quickly. Monitor viewer reactions and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.